kids' teachers would send a trash bag of food with them on Fridays just to get through the week. It was very hard.
This holiday season, the Fox 12 Hunger Free Project is focusing on the efforts to ensure that everyone has meals during the holidays.
Yeah, we just heard for some families, it's hard to put presents under the tree if you're struggling to put food on the table. Fox 12 Spencer Shaw shows us a new partnership between OHSU's Doernbecher Children's Hospital and the Oregon Food Bank that is making sure food is one less thing families leaving the hospital have to worry about.
People in the hospital, it's not just like a day or two thing. There's a lot of time missed from work.
Trina Coffin knows all too well the struggle of trying to balance caring for sick children with working and putting food on the table.
I was up there 3 times with 3 different children. It was very hard to focus on my kids if they had the medicine on time, if it wasn't for the nurses, and also for the children at home. I had 4 at the house and 1 in the hospital each time.
Even as she was struggling to make ends meet, she didn't feel like she could ask for help.
I was a single parent, and I couldn't really reach out for help because I couldn't lose my kids. That's all I had.
At the time, OHSU only had assistance programs for families that lived more than 25 miles away from the hospital. And that didn't sit well with some of the doctors at Doernbecher.
And just talking about some of the struggles that I was experiencing in the hospital, taking care of my own patients. And part of the struggle is that I saw some of my patients going home without having food at home.
My first response was, what? There are kids who are going home to homes with no food. It's just not something you think about.
Together, Betty Brown and Louise Voss helped create the Food for Health Network, 10 food pantries from all around the metro, including the Portland Open Bible Church Community Pantry. They're all making sure these families don't go home hungry.
If you don't have good food, no matter how good the care is, how are you going to heal at home?
Coffin has now accepted a position at the food pantry through the Food Health Network. As she packs these bags full of fresh produce and other essentials, she knows these families won't have to experience what she went through.
I went home 3 times to malnutrition kids. So I know the importance of what we're doing, and that's what keeps me keep going.
In Portland, Spencer Shaw, Fox 12 Oregon.
And these meals come at no cost to any of the families leaving the hospital. The Open Bible Community Pantry is also accepting donations to ensure the program can continue.